I'm Joey.
I'm Moon.
And we're Mr. Kate, and we have been in our island fixer-upper home for a month now and sharing every step with you. Since the permit process is on island time, we are focusing right now on making over the existing house to reflect our personal aesthetic and the colorful tropical surroundings. And that includes lots of painting and bringing in some of our furniture pieces from our Mr. Kate line. Perfect! But we could only fit so much in our shipping container. Plus, we really want to find a bathtub to use outside. So we are off to Reuse Hawaii, which is a giant thrift store of furniture and building supplies, to see what we can repurpose for inside and outside.
We want to make like a whole lagoon pool.
Yay, it's time to upcycle, my favorite.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for today. This is like one of the most exciting days since we've been here because we've been just dreaming of coming to the store.
Yes, oh my gosh, we are at Reuse Hawaii because you guys know we love salvaging things, we love thrifting things, and we're also committed to making less of an impact here on the island, so we're gonna get a ton of stuff here.
Whoa.
Look how big it is. You know how much we love an upcycle, and especially on an island, it is really important to think about like your footprint that you're leaving here. Yes, we are bringing some new things to the island, but we also want to repurpose a bunch of stuff as well. We are very game for all the salvage and thrifting that we can do here on the island.
So we're looking for bathtub maybe?
If we could do an outdoor bathtub, like a temporary bathroom situation. Like we have this sort of weird like courtyard area that already has some plumbing because there's a washer dryer on the other side of it. So maybe we could tap into that and just make it a cute.
I'm also curious to see what they have for like windows and doors. All right, so let's go shopping. Should we go shopping?
Yeah, there's rocks over there. Faux rocks for the water slide.
We're making a water slide?
Why do we need fake rocks? Well, because we want to take our little lima bean, kidney bean pool and give it a different shape, make it more of like a lagoon vibe, or just give it kind of more of that island lava rock look.
Wait, this is foam.
Well, we could like build around this, yeah. Because we want to make like a whole lagoon pool, like a water slide, like.
It's like when you swim and you come hang out under the lagoon. This would be nice.
Okay, wait, let's go see what else they have. We'll put a hold sticker on that.
Whoa, Kate.
$40, Joey, look at this. So unique, I love it. It could be super cute as like a playroom shelf or like in the gym.
Yeah, I mean, it's
I don't
like
know.
super 60s.
I mean, I think it's
Let's get it.
maybe 80s, but whatever, I like it. And obviously we could paint it. It needs it anyways. Okay, how do I claim this?
Oh, you found some teapots?
Yeah.
So much stuff here, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. I think that's a spa bench, which I think Mom actually wants. Kate's been talking about wanting one of those like salon sink thingies at our house, and holy crap, there's one up on those shelves right there. Kate,
What is that?
it's a thing to do your hair in.
Joey thinks that he found me a shampoo bowl, but it's actually a pedicure chair, which, hey, I am not opposed to. Weekly pedicures from Joey? Well, maybe not from Joey. But a foot massage. Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
Yeah, it would go perfectly with the beanbag chair.
This dining table could be perfect. It looks huge, but our dining room is actually fairly big, and I want to use all of those amazing Effie chairs as our dining chairs, so this could be the perfect scale.
This is the base for the table, which is really ugly.
You know what we could do? Like cut pieces to fill in these spots.
and make it look more like a pedestal base.
Oh, make it like panel.
Look solid.
wood
Yeah,
panel.
paneled.
Ew, that base is just not cute. I was really hoping that it was gonna be something that just looked different. Maybe we can DIY this. This table is perfect.
Thrift stores and salvage yards are just, for whatever reason, always such a treasure trove of mirrors and lamps. And there's no exception to that rule here.
I think like we should like update the mirrors in the bathrooms. Also, I want a big mirror to go in the living room. This one's super cool with the like weaving.
Oh no, this one's really cool.
But like,
Paint it?
yeah. This one could be good in the bathroom too. Should we just get both?
Sure.
Ooh, I love these chairs because they have that kind of indoor-outdoor feel. The braided texture on them is gorgeous, but we definitely have to reupholster them.
All right, so pivot on the bathtub. They don't have like the clawfoot tub style we were hoping they would have, but they do have a gigantic pink whirlpool tub.
What? A pink bathtub? Oh my God, it's so 80s. It's got like the gold bar. But I don't think you can have a freestanding jacuzzi tub.
No, but we could build like a rock wall around it.
I mean, that's kind of hilariously fun.
Ah, I'm so excited. We got so many amazing finds. We just got to get them home, and thankfully they're letting us borrow their truck.
I actually think for $250, it's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, I mean, the fact that it's cast iron is really nice.
You ready to check out, Moon? We get this all loaded into a truck and taken to our house?
Those are going on the front lanai. We're gonna reupholster them. Okay. Oh my. The nerves. I feel the nerves. Oh no. Joey, how are we gonna get that in here?
I wonder if I'm gonna have to just tear down the fence real quick.
Are you serious?
We gotta get this bathtub from the front of the house to the back courtyard, and this thing is so wide and so heavy, I don't even know how we're gonna get it back there. And there's a will, and the pink tub, there's a way.
I really hope this pink tub is worth it.
You can't go over it, you can't go under it, you have no other option. You gotta go through it. RIP chain link fences. Not believe we got this thing in here. And now what do we do?
This is one big tub, baby. Consider this the before footage.
All right, so Kate told me to get some wood from the hardware store so we could build this base sort of out so she could put chicken wire around it, but I was shopping and I was like, I have a better idea. I'm gonna get some rebar because then we can like bend it and make it all like we're, you know, making natural shapes.
This is going to be an adventure. Postmodernism in furniture is very in right now. You guys have probably seen this.
That's all those curvilinear pieces you're seeing, things that are made out of stone and clay and have lots of rounded edges to them.
I think we disguise this very basic table base and make it into something that looks kind of like a curvilinear clay pedestal.
I would love for this table to look like it has a pedestal base rather than this weird sort of like leg situation that's going on. But in order to do that, we essentially need to cover this all to create like a new framework. And then we're gonna paper mache it. And then once that's dry, we're gonna like paint it to look kind of more like, you know, clay or stone vibes.
I got this really thin rebar that can bend and shape. So I thought this would be good to make the shape.
Yeah, I mean,
several pieces of this, and then we can do chicken wire.
yes.
This is gonna be a way better scale with this tabletop, which is so chunky, and I think it's gonna be a really cool DIY. If it works.
Ouch. Oh.
Here, why don't you put some duct tape over the
Well,
points of it?
basically I'm using that.
That's good. Okay.
Stop.
Oh
Can you come hold it for me?
my, yeah.
Ah.
Oh my.
So we have this down here, and then we have something up here, and then the chicken wire runs across it.
I was thinking you were gonna get wood.
I told him to get wood.
The thought that I had was use pieces of wood to do like a cross brace here, and then use like the actual top piece here, because this protrudes out more than this. So we'd need just a little footer piece, like just like a little 2 pieces, so that when I then shape the chicken wire around, I'm like staple gunning it, but then creating like the round shape.
So you're telling me I need to go get wood?
That's what I've been saying. That's what I did say on the to-do list.
Coming up next episode, Joey, are you so excited?
I've never painted a refrigerator before, so.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Can you like wipe that in?
What do you mean?
No, blue.
No, orange.
No, blue.
No, blue.